Today, we're making chicken onion meatloaf with Sambal Worcestershire gravy from Simply Ming in Your Kitchen by Ming and Arthur Boehm. If you grew up in the 90s, you probably remember Ming from his show East Meets West on the Food Network, but you might not have known that while attending Yale University for a mechanical engineering degree as an undergrad, he also attended Le Cordon Bleu cooking school during summer breaks. After he finished in school, he opened his first restaurant, Blue Ginger, in 1998, which won multiple awards in its first year. And in 2002, Ming was personally named Best Chef Northeast by the James Beard Foundation. Arthur Boehm grew up with a love of food, which turned into becoming a cookbook writer and contributing editor for food and travel magazines. He has co-authored 7 cookbooks to date, 4 of which are with Ming including Blue Ginger, which we have in our collection, and today's cookbook, Simply Ming in Your Kitchen. For this recipe, we start by getting all the cut work done, beginning with dicing the celery. Once you're done with the celery, dice the onions. Next, chop the parsley. And finally, mince the garlic. Once you finish all the cut work, heat some oil on medium-high heat. Then add the onions and garlic. Cook until the onions start to caramelize. Then transfer 2/3 of the onion garlic mixture into a large bowl and let cool. Once the onion mixture has cooled, add the ground chicken, cooked rice, and parsley. Season with salt and pepper. Mix well, making sure to break up any clumps of rice. Next, in either a pan or in the microwave, cook a small portion of the meatloaf mixture and taste for seasoning. There's even a tip at the bottom of the page that reiterates the importance of this, and we especially love this because we also do this when we make meatballs. Transfer the mixture to an oiled pan, making sure there's no air pockets in the corners, and gently press down to smooth out the top. Bake for about 45 minutes. Once the meatloaf is done, let cool for 10 minutes. Then remove from the pan and reserve any drippings for the gravy. Return the pan with the onion mixture to the heat and add oil. Add the chopped celery and sauté until soft. Next, add the stock, Worcestershire sauce, pan drippings, and sambal, and bring to a simmer. Reduce by 1/4, then whisk in most of the cornstarch and simmer until lightly thickened. Once the gravy is ready, slice the meatloaf, top with the gravy and parsley, and serve. The meatloaf itself is surprisingly light and extremely versatile. It's even mentioned in the description that sometimes this will be made just to make sandwiches the next day. The combination of celery, Worcestershire, and sambal for the gravy is an unexpected and unique flavor. We had leftovers, so we made meatloaf banh mi the next day and shared it on our Instagram. And don't forget, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.